What's up guys, it's Cody's Fixes here. In today's video we're going to be working on a toro lawnmower. Now, I don't know the year of it and I'm sorry if there's noise in the background because I'm just working right here. So, long story short, it's my buddy's and he was using it for like mudding, as you can see. Sorry I wasn't just showing the tractor. But he was using it for mudding about a month ago and it just shut off on him. So, is this disconnected? Yes, it is. Okay. Oh, okay. So, yeah, I'm gonna be seeing if I can get it started or not. I have the jump box out here just in case it doesn't start because I don't expect it to. He said you need to push this switch for it to start, so maybe that something's on the switch. Oh, it's dead. Okay. So, could be locked up, he said, because he was, like, beating on it. And let's look in here. Yeah, the switch is okay. That seems. Maybe the switch went bad. Is this ground okay? I mean, maybe. Well, first I'm gonna hook up the jump box and just see, like, if I can get it to crank good or like what I can do. Alright, so yeah. Alright, there we go. It's annoying putting these cables on because this tank's messed up. Like, it's not the original tank. The only thing I like is they can move even though it shouldn't. Right. Sorry that I'm not showing it to you. I'm using just a phone. So here's the switch, if you guys couldn't see it. It's that little LED switch. Here's how you start it. And it's definitely not happy. Oh, well, there's an issue. I know this was just on there, though, so maybe it wasn't on there all the way. It seemed broken, though, so maybe that's what happened. I'm gonna put, oh, never mind. I think I found out the probably needs choke. That's not good, because I don't have anything to keep it held, because I want to show you guys. So, I'll be right back with something to hold that choke, so, yeah. Hey, I'm back. So, surprisingly, I couldn't find anything to hold the choke. So I just took a stick, as you can see, ran it back, ran it back through, yeah, right there. So through one of them holes, so it's held a little bit. Now it's my time to see if it'll start. I don't know. Hopefully it does, but nothing. Alright, so I'm gonna handle the choke myself, I guess. Right, there we go. Oh! So, it's something with this choke, because if I can, yeah, now I just definitely want to get something that'll hold this choke, because then maybe it'll yawn. Because it was just yawning. They might have had a knock. I need it to idle so I can know. So I'll be back, like, for sure with something. So, yeah. Tied, because I just want to hear it yawn, because I thought I heard a knock. So, there's this hole that looks like, oh, right there it is. Like, it got snapped. So, if this goes through, I have an idea. Yep, it does. So, I can just run it through the choke. And pull it. Alright, so run this down through here. So push it through the choke like that. And I should be able to pull it. Now, I feel like if I get a pair of vice grips, I can, so, I know I've been cutting this video a lot, but I'll go get a pair of vice grips. Back with some, like, little comb vice grips, whatever you want to call them, but, there we go. So, there's that, there's this. I'm just gonna pull it through until it's tight, so like that. Oh, but that's not really holding it, right? No. So I'm gonna set you guys down, and I'm gonna show you what I did after I do it. So, I'm gonna tighten these up. I don't know if I tightened it up too much, but, so, I took this end. Well, I actually took this end, ran it through the choke, ran it through this little hole. I didn't drill it, surprisingly, it's there. And I just took and wrapped it through the zip tie, and then just pulled it out. So, I mean, let's see if she fires off. Just throttle. Oh, yep, I better turn that on. Just throttle. Nope, I mean, ignition. It's running. Not good, but it's running. Oh, she's down. All right, let's see. Oh, I was pushing on the spring under it, not the throttle. Never mind, hang on. Oh, okay. Does the throttle work? I don't know if I already went across that, but it does, so I'm just gonna, but I want to be up next to it to have it at first, so actually, I'm just gonna pull this back, have it right there, give it some throttle, like this. Just, it is a little smoky, but oh well. Oh, this thing came running back, so it's, okay, right there it should stay. It is really loud, even with a muffler, but I did get her running, and now she's running a little better, except she likes to stall out now, so, like, I'll do this. No, I forgot, alright, maybe she needs some RPM. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna have to set you guys down, of course. Alright, so I'm gonna have to fight. Oh, I think it killed the jump box. Well, I'm gonna have to figure something out. Back died, but she does yawn. Next, I guess, is gonna be probably giving her a wash, doing some lights, and the seat, I guess, because, I mean, she does need a seat. But yeah, she is, oh, hang on, I might be able to fire. Not firing, because it's so dead. But good news is she does yawn. I think she has a little yard knock, but I mean, it made it a decent bit. I don't have another engine for it though, unless I can get this one over here yawning. I'm gonna try to, because if I can save a motor, I can save a motor. And there's a gas pedal on this one, so this one has a compression mess up. It'll spin, but then, like, once it gets to a certain part, it'll just not spin. I have an air filter for it. And here, I went and bought this last month, and it just sat in a box. I took it out 4 weeks ago. I'm gonna figure out this, I guess. See if this one on. I've had it cranking before, just not like good cranking, but her dipstick is gone. Like her dipstick isn't in a dipstick hole. Yeah, I guess I can just lift this off now, I guess, because I mean, it ain't got a dipstick to stop it. Yeah. I've always not liked the, actually it'd probably be easier if I rip this off. It'd be probably not too bad if I could get this off. Okay. It's really, like, it's wedged because of right here. It's just wedged on that. I feel like if I can get it to spin, like in circles, I might be able to get it off. Because, I mean, it's like, it's gone. Oh my, dude. This thing is like heady to work on. It doesn't. This is why you never buy things that are said could yawn, but doesn't have the time, because it's things like this. Well, they want the dipstick. Guess I can show you guys a little bit of it, because she does do this. So it's got an ignition coil, which does not look like it's having fun, which is not good. I don't know. I mean, it's not locked up. I'll come back with a battery and a charged jump pack, some starting fluid, and see what I can get her to do. But the only issue I'm really running into with starting thing is a month ago, which I'll just say a month ago, this thing had these. What the Okay, that's what that was. Well, it had these terminals. Last week, I put the terminals on this. And then I just got it running. So yes, I have seen this thing. And I'll try it again in a minute. And if it starts, I'll show y'all. But it probably won't. I like these wheels, but I can't put them on that because the one that has 5 lugs, 5 bolts, whatever you want to say. Oh wait, I could put them on the front of that though. Maybe. Or these ones. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get this one running eventually. Because if I get this running, I can do something like between these two. Because this one's mine. That's my buddy's. I'm gonna fix that one up for my buddy. So, yeah. If you guys want to see any more videos of it, just tell me and you'll have it. Alright. Peace out and hope you liked the video.